Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jason with Buddha Farms coming to you Tuesday, March 13th, 2018. Today I'm in the high tunnel in the garden outside. It's about 45 degrees. Last night it got to about 35, so pretty chilly, but didn't quite frost. But yesterday I went ahead and planted my first little flat of tomatoes that I had going. Those are the Balsino tomatoes. They're looking good. They're looking happy. Got them strung up, and I'm going to show you how I did it and how I'm going to plant the rest of my tomatoes this season. So I got a little shovel here. I have a little hand trowel, but I also have a 5-year-old, and I have no idea where it's at. So I'm just going to use this right now. Hey, look, a worm. And what I'm doing, I got about a 30-inch bed. This is actually probably a little bigger because I had this intention. So what I'm doing is I'm staggering tomatoes, one on each side, you know, about 8 or so inches down the row. So they're staggered back and forth. And just like the cucumbers, I'm going to do the same thing with the tomatoes and vine them along. I have a clothesline, which I'm going to show y'all in a little while, with those tomahawks from Johnny Seeds, with some twine going down to them, and using these plant clips to go around the stems. And when they grow, as they grow up to the roof, all we're going to do is unravel a couple of reels of twine, push the hook down the row, and just let the vines go down the bed and just continue to grow through the season. So as long as they're happy and fed, they'll keep feeding us and making us happy. So all right, shovel in the ground. Oh, real quick, just a bed prep for this goes. This is completely bare ground that I'm starting with. I've run the tractor through it just to beat it up, but that's 6 months ago, just to get it kind of starting to go ready. I have some composted horse manure, and I just put that on top of here. Use the fork, the broad fork, and just a pitchfork as well, just to turn it in. Just to get some kind of fertility in here, because again, this was all just grass before. There's not really any good topsoil on it, not a lot of life. So I'm trying to best I can get this stuff going. So the soil's not great, but we're gonna try to make do, you know, give it a little fertilizer as much as I'm willing to. I'm trying to stay organic, even though I'm not certified organic. Just trying to keep everything organic at this time. Hopefully everything continues to grow and starts coming along. All right, so all I'm going to do here is dig a little hole. Try to chop it up a little bit as well, just to let the roots have a spot to grab onto when they do get in here and start growing. All right, so we got the hole ready, and what I'm going to add to the hole here is some organic fertilizer, just Dr. Earth from, I think we got it from Home Depot, and some Epsom salt. The Epsom salt's going to give the tomatoes some magnesium, which they really crave. They're high feeders, just like the peppers are, so I'm going to be doing that too for them. So in each hole, I do a ½ cup of the fertilizer. And I'm doing a tablespoon of the Epsom salt. And then I'll just use my hand, just kind of work it in a little bit. And then we're going to grab these tomatoes. They look very, very happy. Hope they continue to be this happy in the ground. Take it out the pot. Loosen the roots a little bit. Drop it in and cover it up. All right. I'll mound it up a little bit just to give it a little more support. All right, next I'm going to show you the tomahawk and the clothesline above, and stringing this all up to the plant here, just to get everything attached and ready to go before I go on and plant the rest of these. I got a few more flats of these tomatoes to put in the ground. All right, guys, as you can see, I got a clothesline going along the purling here. I guess you can see it is pretty white and bright in here. But these are the tomahawks that Johnny Seed sells. All I did was take some tomato twine and wrap it around here about 30 or so times. So all we're going to do is unravel it. Just give us enough that it'll go to the ground to reach to the plant. I'm gonna hook it back up, just sitting on the clothesline there, and that'll be enough support to hold the plant up as it grows. All right, I'm gonna take you back down, hook it up to the plant to finish this off. I got the twine coming down to the plant here, and these are those hooks, the stem hooks. Essentially this middle part right here will wrap around the twine, and then you close this around the stem of the plant, and that'll hold it up and keep the plant from going, keep the plant growing up instead of on the ground. All right, so just like I showed you, I just make the twine a little taut, put the string in the middle there, and then just close it. It just snaps closed right there, and that's going to support the plant as it grows up. I got a few more trays of this to plant in. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and water these all in real nice, make them happy, and continue on my day and everything else I get to do over here. All right guys, thanks for following. Y'all have a good one.